Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy multi-factor authentication with Duo Security, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security beyond just a username and password. Duo Security is a popular choice for implementing MFA in your organization. Start by creating a Duo Security account if you don't already have one. Visit the Duo Security website and click on the Start for Free button. Follow the prompts to sign up, providing the necessary information. Once your account is created, log in to the Duo admin panel. On the left sidebar, locate the Applications section and click on it. Click on the Protect an Application button. From the list, find the application you want to protect with Duo, such as a VPN or web application. Click on the corresponding Protect button. Duo will generate an integration key, a secret key, and an API hostname for you. Take note of these values, as you will need them later. Next, install the Duo Authentication Proxy if the application requires it. Download the Duo Authentication Proxy installer from the Duo website. Follow the installation instructions appropriate for your operating system. After installation, configure the proxy by editing the configuration file. Ensure that you input the integration key, secret key, and API hostname in the settings. Save and close the configuration file once you've made the necessary changes. Now, return to your Duo admin panel. Head back to the Users section to add users who will use Duo MFA. Click on the Add User button and fill in the user details. Make sure to specify the correct email addresses, as Duo will send authentication requests here. Once users are added, instruct them to enroll their devices. Each user will receive an email invitation to enroll their device for MFA. When users click on the enrollment link, they will choose their preferred device type, such as a smartphone or tablet. If they select a mobile device, they will need to install the Duo mobile app. The Duo mobile app is available on both iOS and Android. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.